Oh, almost took him down. Oh, fuck, he got me, he got me. Oh, dang, let's go.
Targets eliminated.
Oh, I think I'm down.
Switching mags.
Which building did they? Hey, I think we're gonna have to rush, dude. Take them out.
There's one right here.
Yeah, there's
right here. Jump. Sorry, Chucky.
Capture it for information. Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
Reloading.
Oh, he right here. Backside.
It's a long way from your location.
Oh, almost took him down. Oh, fuck, he got me. Oh, dang, let's go.
Top on the roof. I already told you we were up top on the roof. The fuck?
Up top on the roof.
You think we playing with you? We are. We're playing with our food.
This gas is gonna kill me, bro.
Yeah, we are.
The gas, bro. They all upstairs.
Final circle.
Oh,
Got him.
Loading fresh mag. Incoming frag.
Bro, this female is a hacker, bro. Kill me so I can get your name. LLKB.
oh my fucking god, this third party piece of shit.
Bro, he just took all my plates, dog. I have no place, bro.
Where you at?
Upstairs. Lying to you. He just went for that. Oh, he just went for that okie. He's thirsty. He's
Hey,
thirsty.
yo, which one are you, bro? Are you the green one?
What you mean?
The color, like how I'm blue. You feel me?
Oh no, I'm blue. My man's green.
That's what I'm saying. You're MOOHK.
Oh,
The way that Glock go, bro,
Nah.
you know that he died.
Nah, hell nah. I'm hashtag BGF hashtag.
Oh shit, dummy, I'm geeking. You're not even on my team. Oh shit.
Nah, I'm gonna kill you though.
The way that Glock go, bro, you know that he died.
Adding armor.
The way that Glock go, bro, you know that he died. The way that go.
You looking at your mini map?
Enemy soldier incoming.
Switching mags.
Crossfire. You looking at your mini map?
I don't think he is.
Fuck, man.
Hell, there's some of my folks over here too.
Got myself up.
One just got down and got back up.
Yeah, yeah, bitch, yeah.
Come on, bro, shoot that dude. That's red. That dot. He's on the ground laying down. Just pinged him. Laying down. Oh my gosh. Down, yeah, kill that motherfucker. Yeah.
Oh, Pablo Escobar, cocaine. You have to deal with that shit, you know?
Hey, I'm saying cheap as shit. I know if I can keep it. No.
Oh shoot, what we doing? Oh yeah, get with y'all.
Getting the self-raise. Ain't got no gas man, but I'm dropping money for whoever needs it.
I feel like the circle's ending somewhere around here.
No, Papa, that ain't always work, Papa.
Behind the building.
Run.
Oh.
Yo, kill the fucking dude, bro!
Oh, boy.
Some big
Where'd they go? Oh, really? Come get me, brother. Come get me.
Now finish. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Why'd you walk?
care package on standby.
You don't gotta go.
Attack off. Get a
Good,
care
tell him you
package
did
on
it
the way.
now. Put my nose in your butt. Put my nose in your butt.
Enemy advanced UAV overhead.
Revenge is my
The
middle
enemy's about
fucking
to
name.
complete their objective.
Huh?
Kill that pink.
Alright, come on, Cross. We gotta go. Cause this ain't serving us no purpose.
Oh, there's a sniper.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
If you heard what I said, bro, we can play Resurgence if you want. He knocked inside the watch tower. I don't know why you playing in that fire tower. Playing in the fire tower like we not about like I don't get busy. I done shot him in his shit. Bro, let's go, cause this ain't serving us no purpose, bro.
They're slowing it down. Trying to drop money.
Try not to get sniped out the air. Of course, we probably will. Well, let's get this money back. Wait a minute.
He's right here. He's on this building.
Oh shit, I'm getting sniped, Craig. I mean, oh, he's on the side of the building. Cross, why you not hitting me, bro?
Enemy. You're not feeling sorry for yourself.
That's a whole squad too. Right, we got to push.
Safe zone.
There's one when we on top. Damn, there's people on hill.
Eyes on enemy.
Behind me.
What's the weekend? Yes, it is. Well, this is.
Ooh, how I
Let's go
miss
fry
him?
him. Let's go fry him.
Yeah.
Fry him. Let's go fry him. Ooh.
Eurogas deployed.
Assault pack going out.
Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you think you going.
Eyes on enemy.
Enemy advanced UAV is active.
Negative. Airspace full.
Switching mags.
Unable to task. Airspace is full. That's a negative. Grid is full.
I'm gonna go get my hard vehicle. Shit, crossfire, what?
Reloading.
Oh, I'm gonna go get that.
Well done, soldier. Check your map for the next gas spread location.
Armor's gone. Switching mags. Five straight.
Cool.
Switching mags.
Squad mate has entered the GULAG. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Their armor's gone.
Man, we're really moving as a team. It's great.
Squad mate is in the GULAG. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Oh,
Gotta
blue.
keep your eye on the prize. Last mag. Armor's gone.
Oh, follow mommy. Watch, I'm gonna fuck this dude up.
I'm
here.
looking for money.
Okay.
Broke his ass.
Whoa, that's true! That's true!
Downed his ass.
Armor's gone.
Bye-bye.
Fuck out of here, motherfuckers!
Bye-bye. Two are dead. Two are
Whoa, 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 whoa!
God, I hate the AMR mod. It's so bad.
Oh,
That's dumb.
calm down, dude! Dude! Calm the fuck down, dog! Calm down, dog!
Shit. Puta la wea.
Loading fresh mag.
Too many people here at the Superstore and I ain't get a gun.
they survive, they redeploy.
And coolie now, boy.
Last mag.
Squad mate and then the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Revenge is my middle fucking name.
Sorry, bro. Dude.